Hello, dear friends. Today I'm going to do a first time ever tasting video of Crazy Cups, French vanilla cream coffee. Decaf, which is the reason I ordered it online because I can't find flavored decafs near me. Everybody's like into the caffeine thing. I tried it, made me jittery, cranky. Had to take a walk today after dinner. Didn't like it. But I still want the taste of coffee, and I still want to go to bed. So I made some coffee, and you can see actually now that I hold up the light. It's not, I should have made it stronger. But anyway, it's cooled to a temperature where I can taste it now. I'm trying to do that like wine tasting thing, but I don't taste wine, so I don't know. Okay, so when you smell the coffee, it smells like vanilla, vanilla. And this is supposed to be French vanilla cream. I don't know the difference between vanilla and French vanilla, but I know with ice cream it's like more eggs or something. But anyway, this is good. The nose of the coffee smells like vanilla more than it tastes. It tastes like decaffeinated coffee, but it's like a medium roast, I think. Let me double check this again. Decaf coffee, decaf medium roast coffee. So it's not. It doesn't have that burnt flavor that like this Dunkin' Donuts coffee has. Like this says medium roast, but it tastes like it tastes burnt. You know what I mean? Like it's got that like burny, and that's okay. Sometimes that's good. Unlike this decaffeinated Verona Starbucks coffee, which just tastes like seaweed. I don't know how else to put it. This not good. I hate to say it, Starbucks. I know, like Dunkin' better, but this is better than all of the three, like so far. This is really good. Now, there is one thing that I would like to do with this. I'd like to add a little bit of almond milk, unsweetened. So let's just try it with that and see what happens, because I have been on a, if you guys have been following my channel, all 13,600 of you have been following. Thank you. I've been losing weight, and so almond milk is a great way to lose weight because there's only 30 calories in a cup, and this is about a cup, and I'm not going to add that much. I'm just going to add it like it were coffee creamer, just to give it a little bit of a, cafe au lait kind of look to it, and that's drinkable. I mean, that is good. And if I add even more, which again, it's 8 ounces is 30 calories. So like you can have half of this coffee and half of it almond milk, and it doesn't need any sugar. I will admit a little bit of sweetener wouldn't be bad, but it's not terrible. And I also have chocolate flavored almond milk, which is also a wonderful coffee creamer that has 100 calories per 8-ounce cup. But even so, it's still, if you're only using like an ounce as opposed to 8 ounces, it's really negligible calories as far as when you're counting calories. So yeah, so this would make that vanilla and chocolate flavor. That would be cool. So I'll probably do a video tasting that next. If you want to see more of these videos, let me know, because my channel is all about whatever I'm doing. Lifestyle, gaming, geek culture, science, you name it. I've done everything from the Hubble's Constant to Star Wars Unlimited card game. Yeah, so, you tell me what you want to see. Oh, and the squirrels will be here. There's plenty of squirrel activity on my channel. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for being you, and thanks to all 13,000 plus of you. If you want to join the nation, go ahead and subscribe.